And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
What a nice evening out there. We've seen some clouds occasionally mixed with some clear skies. Good visibility out there right now. We're looking over at Portsmouth across the Elizabeth River. You can see just a hint of a little bit of haze out there in the distance. Overall, as I said, a very nice evening. We were watching a little bit of rain out west earlier. That is still way out of the area. Nothing at all here locally. So tonight, it's up. Last hour was 69. We're up to 70 degrees right now. Winds out of the southwest, carrying in all of that warmth from the deep south. Tonight, 60. Actually, we might not even make that. I probably should up that a couple of degrees to about 62. Definitely windy and mild, though. Southwesterly winds occasionally gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. Out there right now, even off to the north. And if I had expanded this into northern Virginia, it is still way into the 60s as well. So there's no sign of cold air in the immediate area, but there is on the other side of the mountains, which you'll see in just a minute. Meanwhile, high temperatures today, 74 and off. Look at these, almost everybody in the 70s. Some 60s near the water, and areas that were on the west side, like Melfa's on the east side, it was even a little bit chillier than that, some 50s right near the beaches. But overall, the big news was the warmth today, more warm air tonight, as we pointed out, and more warm air for part of tomorrow, the first part. It'll be a nice morning, albeit a bit windy, slight chance of a shower in the morning, but look what happens as we move into the afternoon. Here are the wind streams coming in still out of the southwest, so 70s here across south side, a little after the lunch hour, but with the leading edge of that cold air, it's a little hard to see the lines, but they're coming in from the northwest, that front right along that leading edge, not only of colder air, but leading edge of rain. So actually you can see that dip right in there. So that's the cold front right there. That'll drop our temperatures by afternoon back through the 60s and quickly into the 50s. Luckily for tomorrow evening, if you have plans and you're heading out, things should be tending to clear out except for maybe the Outer Banks. And that leads to a cold start to the day, and actually a cold finish too, but a cold start to the day on Saturday. The difference is we start out with maybe some filtered sunshine, and then quickly the clouds begin to come in. Rain advances out of areas of North Carolina, some moderate to maybe heavy rain at times. And in northern parts of the state, snow is expected, and maybe even a significant snowstorm. Temperatures during the afternoon, again, will be rather chilly on Saturday. They'll warm up a little bit, though, on Sunday and definitely by Monday. You can see a little precipitation, as we mentioned, off to the north and west tonight. 60, let's change that to 62, in fact. Variably cloudy skies, windy and mild, and then the 7-day forecast, 71 early afternoon, falling through the 60s later in the afternoon. Only 44 for the high Saturday, rain redeveloping later in the day. Sunday, 54 and sunny, should be a pretty decent day. Monday, some showers possible, back to the 60s, and then 70s again Tuesday and Wednesday.
All right, thanks, Josh.